Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into GoodCrypto.app and showing you guys what GoodCrypto brings to your crypto portfolio and how it can allow you to actually advance your game in the crypto space. So the first thing we're going to see here is trade cryptocurrency on any exchange, anywhere, anytime. There's actually an app on your phone that you can download on the Google Play Store or the App Store on your Apple device, but you can also do an Android APK. And how I'm going to show you today is going to be the web app. You can actually see what I'm looking at. Let me zoom up just a little bit so you guys, or pull it up just a little bit so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So here you're going to be able to see the general, and I'm in the settings right now. You can see the general, exchanges, wallets, and alerts. So I just kind of want to show you some of the different exchanges you can connect, and it's very, very easy to connect these, by the way. This is a kind of throwaway account just so I don't want to show all my exchanges connected and all my wallets connected and everything, but I threw one wallet on there as well. So here you're going to be able to see one BSC wallet just to show you guys kind of how this works. And you can see I don't even have enabled two-factor authentication just because I don't really care at the moment. But the big thing to note, guys, is you can have so much safety and security behind this as well. You can actually go in, enable that two-factor authentication, which is always a very, very safe way to keep everything safe. And then you can also see the alerts here as another option in the settings. This is going to be a place where you can set these market events, so you'll get notified for significant Bitcoin price changes, Ethereum price changes, top altcoins versus BTC price changes, top DeFi tokens being that significant price change, and so much more. So order execution, deposits and transfers, and custom price alerts, and really more. And like I said, custom price alerts is really nice. I've actually talked about this in previous videos before because you're able to say, hey, let's say $23,000 at Bitcoin is where I want to start shorting or longing. Well, you can do that exact price alert here on GoodCrypto app. Like I said, on the web app is where I'm using it, but there's so many great ways to use it on whatever mobile device you really have. So let's take a look a little bit farther down. So at the bottom, you're going to be able to see the different options you kind of have here. So you have prices, portfolio, trade, pro, and settings. So we have settings on right now. Let's go to the prices and kind of see what we're looking at here. So if we scroll back to the top or pull it down back up to the top, we see the market prices being watch list and all coins. So the all coins is we're going to be able to see by market cap what coin is doing what. So Bitcoin, 21.4K USD, etc. You can sort by rank, being market cap, gain percentage, loss percentage, buy signal, sell signal, 24-hour volume, etc. But I want to say, this is one of the easiest ways to kind of scroll through your phone and find out what's going on with each individual coin. You can see over 7,000 coins listed here on GoodCrypto, and you can see also, like I said, that watch list, so you can favorite your certain crypto coins that you want to take a look at pretty much every single day or every single week or whenever you look at your coins. But that's really, really helpful to kind of give you a quick look instead of having to scroll through, find your 200 market cap crypto gem. That would take a little bit. So a very nice little watch list, favorite list. It's something I definitely use on my main account on GoodCrypto. We also have the portfolio. So here you can see with the BSC wallet, I don't have much going on. I think I have some Monster Infinite. I traded over here at some point. But you can see the transactions and trades. I don't have those connected right now. But like I said, it works very, very well on my main GoodCrypto app account. You can also add exchanges and wallets like we talked about. You can see the day, week, month, year, and 2-year span, so you can see it charted out. But because I just put this on today, you're going to be able to see that total balance at $1,327. You're going to be able to also see the chart showing Tether as the majority. And you can see your portfolio by asset as well. So that was by wallet. You can see what wallet has what amount of money. But if we go by asset, you can see Monster Infinite. I do have $485 worth, $832 worth of Tether, and then $6 of BNB. Shopping, I have $4 some reason, and just random other coins that people have tried to send me over the past years. But just cool to see how this all plays out on the GoodCrypto app. It's all there and available to us. It continues to make life easy if you're trying to get farther into crypto and you need something that helps you out. This could be it. We also have the trade option in the very bottom. I'm going to show you guys again. I know I'm pulling it up and down on you, but I just want to keep it zoomed in so you guys can see everything. But trade is another big thing that a lot of people use on GoodCrypto app. So we see $21,400 Bitcoin right now. You can also see that there is many options when it comes to buying Bitcoin. So you can do market limit, or you can do trailing, which is something that we'll talk about here in a little bit. But market limit trailing. You can put the amount in that you want to buy it for. You could do the expected price. You can do this is a pro option here, but you can actually attach a stop loss or take profit to any order sent via GoodCrypto. Which, by the way, the pro status is definitely something you guys should look into. I do like using the pro status myself. You can also see at the very bottom the open. You can do the history, the algo, the order book, the trades, the alerts, the signals, and you can compare as well as specs and obviously the coin. So the specs you can see here, like I said, the underlying Bitcoin being price quoted in Tether, the trading fees, the orders. It's just so much information for you to really become a good trader or a good investor at the very least. So definitely take a look. Before we get too much farther into this video, I do want to say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. But this is definitely a place to do some diving into before, like I said, you get too far into the crypto space. You want some of these kind of really great ways to get invested and very easily get invested. So I think GoodCrypto does exactly that for new and advanced really traders or advanced and new investors in the crypto space at the very least. So what else do we have to show? Well, we can actually see in the top right orders, and this will show all the orders, so open history, positions, and algos, which is cool. It'll show a big list of them. You can search by exchanges, types, and orders. So you can also use the GoodCrypto app for bot trading. So if you go to trade here on the app, you can see that there is a buy BTC, sell, and algo. If you go to the algo, you can see that it's a pro feature, and you can also see that there's many different options and features here along with the bot trading feature. You have the algo, which kind of explains and orders allow you to define a set of trading rules. The algo will automatically place orders and according to the rules and parameters you specify. They also have grid mode, which is a really cool idea as well. So long mode will initially place buy orders on all levels. Short mode will initially place sell orders on all levels. And then neutral being that initial place sell orders above marketplace and orders are bought below it. So you're going to be able to take advantage of all these different systems and features and kind of different utility features that really go well with any kind of bot trading if you guys are into that. You have the highest grid level, and you can set this, let's say, to 20,000. You could also set the lowest grid level to like 19,000 or whatever you really want to do. It's like I said, very flexible, and it's up to you how you want to set up your bot. Specifically, you can set up the level, and you can always press this I, and it'll always explain kind of what you're doing there if you guys are new to bot trading. So order size, you can also set that. You can also set the amount of advanced settings, so activation price, stop above, stop below, take profit, and then if you have funds, you can actually put that here. You can see the BTC available. You can also see the USDT available. And like I said, it's a pro version, so it's going to give you a build 5 levels grid of limit orders of 12 BTC USDT. And when orders get filled, place in opposite order on the adjacent level. So you can actually do that. And you can also set up, like I said before, API keys. This is going to definitely help you if you have API keys that you want to jump on board with. But a really cool system here in place for algo and bot trading. You can actually see some of the integrations with all your favorite crypto exchanges, whether that's Binance, Coinbase Pro, Bittrex, BitMEX, Bitfinex. KuCoin is a huge one. Crypto.com is another big one. There's many, many ways to kind of view your entire portfolio with one easy platform, and that's GoodCrypto. So become a better crypto trader with the best cryptocurrency trading app. State-of-the-art crypto trading experience. You can actually order execution price and portfolio alerts, best-in-class security and trader protection, and then advanced order types for every exchange. So trading with trailing stops on 25 plus exchanges, attach take profit and stop loss to any order you send as well, and advanced crypto trading terminals in your pocket. I'm not going to jump too much more into what it shows on the website besides this chart here. So this shows how GoodCrypto is so much better than some of its competitors. It has real-time market prices, automated portfolio tracking, trading on 20 plus exchanges, live order books, unified advanced orders, executions, when it comes to order execution, that is. And then we also have the custom price and portfolio alerts as well, which is huge, giving you a ton of utility. And there's a lot of reasons as to why people are starting to use GoodCrypto. And, you know, we could go, really the list, like I said, continues down and down and down. And I've used Good Crypto in the past, actually, and I'm going to continue to probably use them in the future until there's something better. I think Good Crypto's got everything you really need right now. I can't even think of anything that they're missing. But if we go to their frequently asked questions section where you can type in anything. So here I type in bot, and it talks about how to configure Bitmart API key and add it to your Good Crypto app. So want to trade on Bitmart Exchange with conditional orders that do not freeze your balance until triggered, stop loss and take profit combos, grid bot, DCA bot, Infinity, trailing algo, and other advanced trading tools. They are all at your disposal with the Good Crypto app. Add Bitmart API key to our app and enjoy our seamless trading flow with sophisticated trading tools that work in the same way on every crypto exchange we support. It's a very, very cool concept of finding out information you need to know about the Good Crypto app. If you want to look up some questions before you get involved, that's perfectly fine as well. If you guys have any questions or you want to get involved with Good Crypto or get this app yourself, it's very, very easy to do so. You'll just go to goodcrypto.app.com. And it's actually not going to be .com. It's going to be called goodcrypto.app. And it's really easy to get to. You just to be able to download on Google Play App Store, Android APK, or the web app. And I'll have links down in the description as well. If you guys want to do that, it'll be just sitting down there for you guys to take advantage of. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next one.